Good morning, guys. Okay, it is Thursday and I am about to head back to school to get things closed out. I did not get to put my kiddos things together to turn into the office, and then there's just a couple things that I left that I gotta pick up, and I didn't get to film. We had some time Nazis at our school last week, and so I didn't get to not last week, but you know, Tuesday when I went. So I didn't get to finish cleaning out everything. So that's what I'm going to do today. Majority of everything is out. I wanted to do that. You know, it really took my husband's truck and a rental van to get all of that stuff out of there. It's just ridiculous. I just can't believe how much stuff I have accumulated. And what's worse is I've already bought like new things, because my entire color scheme is changing. So you know that means new bins, new background paper, new everything. So I will be using some of the stuff that I have in my room, and I'm switching content areas. So a lot of that stuff is just about to sit in storage for a little while. Anyway, I am headed to campus, and so I will take some more footage when I get there, because it's already 8:40 and I want to try to be on time today, so I'm going to concentrate on driving this morning. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hi everyone. Okay, I made it to my classroom, so let me give you guys a look at the progress before I get started. So as you can see, I have taken down all of the bulletin boards. I need to wipe down the writing off the cabinets, take off all of the masking tape. These bags are trash. Those are my student binders, and their journals. And so I have the lovely task of clearing out desks today and bagging them up individually for my kiddos. I need to get down the vinyl and this vinyl, so I brought my step ladder today, and I need to wipe down the board. So for the most part, those are the tasks for the day, and I have some paper that I need to pack up out of the closets over there. But for the most part, everything is gone. We got everything out on Tuesday. So if you want to know where you can go and get bags for your kids, if you guys have an Aldi in your area, city or state, I was able to get 50 bags for around $4. So that's just a little tip. If your school is not providing bags, my school did not provide bags. I had to get something to wrap my kids' stuff up on my own, or to package their stuff up on my own. Also, I created them a end of year gift. I wanted to give them something because we didn't get to do awards day, certificates, or anything. So I wanted to at least give them some type of end of year gift. So I came up with this, and it says, "Have a wonderful summer." And it has myself and my partner's Bitmojis on there. And so also I put a little can of clay dough inside. And so if you're wondering where I got the clay dough, this is what it looks like. And it came from Dollar Tree. Everybody, I believe, has Dollar Trees, and you're able to get an 8-pack for $1. So I have about 46 students. I only had to buy 6 packs, and I had enough for each one of my students. And so I just put it inside a little Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put this in their brown bag with their things. If you're interested in this little tag, I am going to put that in my TPT store, and it will be in the description below. There'll be a link. So I'm going to go ahead, even though it seems like not a lot to do, it still may take me the entire time. So, and because we have time Nazis here, I am going to go ahead and just put the camera down, and I will try to stop one time in between to give you progress, and then at the end, once I've cleared the entire room. So I better put down the camera and get started because it's already 9:55 and we only have till 2:30. So I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Okay, so let me just give you an update of where I am right now. I'm almost at the finish line. Right now, only thing that I'm doing is getting my students' bags packed so that I can get ready to get out of here. This is the only things that I had left to take out to my car. And then that's gonna be a wrap. They've asked us to the classroom, leave the bags inside the classroom for now, so almost there. Okay guys, I am finally done. Let me just take one more look around because this is the last time I'll be at this school. So I've left my kiddos' bags in the room as they told us to, and it's time to go. And I'm headed to the office to turn in my keys.